We will present modern physics with the title Effect of Electromagnetic Radiation on Humans. From group 3 consists of 4 people. Number 1, Mukhalifatul Maisarah. Number 2, Salsabilaner Arfani. Number 3, Nicole Tangalin. Number 4, Elizar Mata. When traveling outdoors, we are usually advised to use skin protection lotion, such as sunblock or sunscreen. What do you think the purpose of using the lotion is? Both sunblock or sunscreen are substances that can protect the skin from exposure or ultraviolet radiation, UV rays. Did you know that UV radiation is one of the electromagnetic radiation? Then, what is meant by electromagnetic radiation? Instead of being curious, let's see more. Electromagnetic radiation is exposure or radiation that comes from electromagnetic waves. Electromagnetic waves are waves that do not need a medium to propagate. These waves are composed of electric and magnetic fields that are perpendicular to each other. Examples of electromagnetic waves are UV light, visible light, infrared light, and so on. Radio waves, microwave waves, infrared, ultraviolet, X-rays, gamma rays. Not only benefits electromagnetic radiation is dangerous. For example, electromagnetic radiation generated from the use of cell phone can potentially cause several health problems. These health problems can be in the form of the growth of tumor and cancer in the brain, can cause stress, disruption of sperm, trauma, and also disruption of red blood cells.
All humans at this time always use HP for everyday life. So what will happen if exposed to HP radiation? Exposure to radiation from cell phones can cause damage to brain cells because electromagnetic waves easily penetrate the brain. Damage to brain cells can increase the risk of contracting various types of diseases such as brain tumor, Alzheimer's, autism, and behavior problems. Electromagnetic radiation emitted by cell phone is of same wave group as microwaves and is a low-level non-ionizing radiation, until now from dozens of studies. So there are 6 risks of excessive radiation exposure that can cause unhealthy effects on the body. The first one is insomnia disorder or difficulty sleeping. The blue light generated by cell phones can inhibit the production of the hormone melatonin. This hormone functions to regulate sleep and disrupt circadian rhythm. Second, damaging concentration. The electromagnetic radiation emitted by cell phones that makes blood flow not optimal, resulting in failure to focus and lack of concentration. The third one, it reduces sleep quality. Using a cell phone before going to bed can stimulate physiology and psychology which can affect sleep. The fourth one, it increases cancer risk. High radiation emission that is invisible to the eye is carcinogenic, which can affect the human nervous system, which can eventually cause cancer or tumors. Number 5, it causes headaches. Cell phones radiation for some people who are sensitive to the emitted RF waves can cause headaches, dizziness, nausea, and even vomiting. The last one, it burn and explode. Putting the cell phone near the pillow, especially while charging the battery, is not recommended because the cell phone will heat up quickly, and if a short circuit occur, it can cause to explode and
So
burn.
next is electromagnetic wave formula. Maxwell stated that the speed of electromagnetic wave satisfied the equation. From the formula, a bulb is turned off. The speed of propagation of electromagnetic wave depends on the electrical permittivity and magnetic permeability of the medium. So, in general, the equation for the speed of propagation of electromagnetic waves for various medium is properties of electromagnetic wave. First, the housing of the magnet field and electric field simultaneously occurs. And second, the electric and magnetic fields have the most perpendicular directions. Number 3, according to the relationship E is CB, the magnetic and electric field strengths are the Number 4, electromagnetic wave can propagate in a vacuum. Is without a medium. Number 5, electromagnetic wave are propagated by magnetic and electric field. 6, in a vacuum, electromagnetic wave have a speed of 3 times 700. Electromagnetic wave include transversal wave. Number 8, reflection, polarization, interference, and diffraction of properties of electromagnetic wave. The theoretical basis of the propagation of electromagnetic wave was first described in 1873 by James Clerk Maxwell in his paper of the Royal Society on the dynamical theory of the electromagnetic fields. A dynamical theory of electromagnetic field based on the result of the research work 1861 and 1165. The experiment of James Clerk Maxwell's, a British scientist in Scotland, stated that the speed of electromagnetic wave in the same of the speed of light, namely 3 times 100 h meter per second. 3 for Maxwell's conclude the light is an electromagnetic wave. Maxwell's conclusion is supported by first, a German scientist, Heinrich Rudolf, who proved the electromagnetic wave are transverse wave. This is consistent with the fact that light can exhibit polarization symptom. Number 2, the experimental of a Dutch scientist, Peter Zeeman, stated that a very strong magnetic field affects light burn. Number 3, Stark experimental, a German scientist who revealed that a very strong electric field can affect light burn. Next, the core of Maxwell's theory of electromagnetic wave is A. Charging electric field can produce magnetic field, and B. Light includes electromagnetic wave. Careful experiment led to the following conclusion. The electromagnetic wave pattern is the same of the transverse wave pattern with the electric field change factor perpendicular to the magnetic field change factor. Number 2 is electromagnetic wave show symptoms of reflection, diffraction, polarization, as well as absorbed by conductors and passed on by insulators.
So electromagnetic waves are born as a blend of imagination and sharpness of mind based on a belief in a regularity and neatness of natural rules. Experimental results which precede it have revealed 3 rules of electrical phenomena, among others, as follow. So, here are the 3 laws. First one is Coulomb's law. Electric charge produces a strong electric field. The second one is Biot-Savart law. The flow of electric charge or the current produces a magnetic field around it. The last one is the Faraday's law. a change in the magnetic field with a symbol of B that can cause an electric field with a symbol of
Thank you for
E.
your attention and see you.